Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on Samsung Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really that simple. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the button called Start and go to the applications, and it is usually called Smart Hub, and it is App Store for Samsung Smart TVs. Right now, go to the App Store. You can search Instagram app in the search bar, and after finding the Instagram app, select install and then wait for a few seconds. You'll see a button with the name open, and the ready status will be provided as a part of Samsung Smart TV application as well. Right now, all you gotta do is open up and sign into your Instagram account. Now if you are asked to sign in with an account called Samsung account, when you open it and you don't have an account, all you gotta do is create the account with your email address and you should be set to go. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.